Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to run PHP file on localhost. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we need to download XAMPP to run PHP file on localhost. So for that, we have to go for our favorite browser. I chose Google Chrome. You can choose yours and then come over the search option and search for XAMPP like this and click enter. And after that, we will get a server called www.apachefriends.org. And by this server, we will download XAMPP in our Windows operating system. So we will click on the first link, and here you will get three operating download system called Windows, Linux, and OS X. So we will go for the Windows, and here you can see after some of seconds later, here is download is started over here. Here you can see. So now here you can see that XAMPP is downloaded in our Windows operating system. Then now we will going to install it. For that, we need to click on this folder icon, and here is XAMPP. So click on that and minimize this. And here you need to permission and click yes. Minimize this, and here you can see we'll come to XAMPP and click on OK. And here is XAMPP setup wizard. Here you can see, click on next, and here you can see that all the package is needed to install XAMPP is all checked. So click next and another time next. And if you want to change the language, there is only two options, English and Dutch. So I'm choosing English. Click next and next, and here you can see that XAMPP is installing in our Windows operating system. So it will take some of minutes. For that, I will fast forward the video. So here you can see that XAMPP is installed in our Windows operating system. So after setup, click on finish, and now there will be appear XAMPP control panel. Here you can see XAMPP control panel. So for running PHP in localhost, we need to start Apache and MySQL and then minimize it. And now we will go for this PC and go for the local C drive and go for XAMPP, and here we will find htdocs. Here you can see. So click on htdocs. So now here we will create a PHP folder. For that, click on new and click on folder and write PHP underscore program and click enter. And after that, we will click on PHP underscore program folder, and now we will create a new text document over here. Here you can see. Here you can see. And now here we will click on it and we will type PHP code over here. For that, angular bracket question mark PHP, and now write equal, and then write here hello world, hello world, and now close it by this and close PHP over here. Like now we will save it, like click on file and click on save as. Now we will write the file name as program.php and then save as type as all file and click save. And now close it, and here you can see that there is open a program.php source file. Here you can see, and now we will delete the text document. So now we will go to our browser, and here we will search for localhost and click on that. And after that, here we are in localhost. dot mobi slash XAMPP. So now here we will type our php.program name, click on rename and copy the name and minimize it, and if you write it like and paste it like, and now if you write it and paste, so now if you paste it and click on enter, here we'll get a link called localhost. So click on that, and now here you are in XAMPP dashboard. So now what we will going to do, we will clear them and paste it another time our PHP program, and now click enter. And by this here you can see here is our index of index PHP slash program file over here. You can see this is our local host is running our PHP program. Here you can see program.php our file. So if you click on that, and here you will get hello world over here. You can see hello world over here. So this is how you can run PHP program in your local host. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.